Dobar dan I dobrodošli. Thank you for joining us na Kauču, on the couch today. I'm Mirko.
And I'm Marina. We'll bring you our videos as native English speakers, and you may have guessed already from our accents that we are from Australia and New Zealand.
We have been thoroughly enjoying making the content for this December with our focus on how Croatians celebrate Christmas, which, as you may imagine, is quite different for us, given that we celebrate Christmas in the summer. And that is just for starters.
We learnt so much about their customs, for example, the meaning behind the Advent candles. But the big one has to be their hospitality and food. There are quite a few delicious recipes I'd like to try, such as sarma and oraniacha, so we couldn't resist the opportunity to share with you a traditional Christmas recipe.
Danas smo u kuhinji u Kuhajmo Fritule. Today we are in the kitchen and we are going to cook fritters. This recipe is from Zadovolnja. There is a link in the description below. So we begin with the ingredients for fritters with yeast. Sastojci za fritule s kvasem. 500 grams of flour for leavened dough. 500 grama brašna za dizeno tiesto. 100 grams of sugar. 100 grama šećera. 2 medium-sized eggs. 2 jaja srednje veličine. 20 grams of fresh yeast or 1 sachet of dry yeast. 20 grama svježeg kvasa ili 1 vrećica suhog kvasa. 2 medium-sized apples, preferably more acidic. 2 srednje jabuke, po mogućnosti kiselje. 170 ml of milk. 170 ml mlijeka. 2 small spoonfuls of brandy. 2 male žlice rakija. 2 small spoonfuls of rum. 2 male žlice ruma. A pinch of salt. Prstovat soli. Zest of an unsprayed lemon or orange. Korica od nešpricanog limuna ili naranče. About a liter of oil or other frying fat. Oko litre ulja ili druge masti za prženje. Sugar for decoration. Šećer za ukras. Now we will begin. Sada ćemo početi. Put 2 tablespoons of milk in a small bowl. Stavite 2 male žlice mlijeka u malu zdjelu. Heat it a little to make it lukewarm. Malo ga zagrite da postane mlako. Add yeast and a teaspoon of sugar, then whisk. Dodajte kvasac I žličicu šećera, a zatim umutite. Sprinkle with a little flour and set aside for 15 to 20 minutes until the yeast foams. Pospite s malo brašna I stavite sa strane 15 do 20 minuta dok se kvasac ne zapjeni. In a small bowl, whisk the eggs. U manjoj zdjelici razmutite jaja. Add milk, brandy and rum and set aside. Dodajte mlijeko, rakiju I rum pa stavite sa strane. Peel, wash and grate the apples. Jabuke ogulite, operite I naribajte. In a large bowl, put the flour mixed with the sugar. U veću posudu stavite brašno pomiješano sa šećerom. In the middle, make a hole, then add the yeast and mix well. U sredini napravite rupu, pa dodajte kvasac I dobro promiješajte. Now pour wet ingredients into the flour. Sada u brašno ulite mokre sastojke. Add salt and combine everything with a wooden spoon until you get a smooth mixture. Dodajte sol I sve sjedinite s kuhajmom dok ne dobijete glatku smjesu. Cover it with plastic wrap and then a kitchen towel and keep it warm to rise for an hour. Pokrijte je s plastičnom folijom I zatim kuhinskom krpom te stavite na toplo da se diže sat vremena. When the dough rises, heat the oil in a deep pan. Kada se tiesto digne, zagrite ulje u dubljoj zdjeli. Heat oil over medium heat, not full, because at too high a temperature, fritters can quickly bake and darken on the outside and remain raw inside. Zagrijavajte ulje na srednje jakoj vatri. Nikako jakoj je se kod prevelike temperature može dogoditi da se fritule izvana brzo ispeku I potamne, a iznutra ostanu sirove. Insert the mixture into the bag and squeeze it out of the bag in small amounts. Ubacite smjesu u vrećicu I istiskujte je iz vrećice u malim količinama. Cut the mixture when squeezed out of the bag. Režite smjesu prilikom istiskivanja iz vrećice. Remember that the fritters will be more beautiful and regular in shape if they are smaller. Zapamtite da će fritule biti ljepšeg I pravilnijeg oblika ako su manje. If you do not have bags, feel free to use a teaspoon dipped into the oil. Ako nemate vrećice, slobodno žličicom umočenom u ulje. When they are browned or take on a nice darker golden yellow tint, remove them with a strainer and place on a plate lined with kitchen paper to drain. Kada porumene ili poprime lijepu tamniju zlatno žutu nijansu, izvadite I sjeldilkom I stavite na tanjur obložen kuhinskim papirom kako bi se osjedile. After that, sprinkle them with sugar and serve. Nakon toga, pospite ih šećerom I poslužite. Here is the photo from Zadovolnja. Theirs looked delicious.
There is a link below to the Croatia Week website. They have a variation of this recipe without yeast along with a video, so be sure to pop over and take a look. Let us know if you've made these or are planning on making them. Which recipe is your favourite? What would you serve them with? For me, caramel sauce and ice cream is a great pairing, or do you prefer them dipped in chocolate? Have you any other favourite Croatian Christmas dishes? Pop them in the comments below. Well, bye for now from us on the couch. See you next time. Doviđenja.